Hey everyone, check out these hot Durban curry canapes.
Hot Durban curry canapés.
We're about to make them. First thing we're going to do is make the naan cakes.
Awesome. What's a naan cake?
Well, they're the little bread. It's a little naan to go at the bottom of the curry.
Okay.
First things first, egg. Half a cup of flour. Whoops, sorry, bad advertising. Half a cup of milk. Teaspoon of baking powder.
Great.
In it goes. Mix it together. I don't know if you guys can see there. You don't want to overdo it because it is a naan cake. And Ricky says don't overmix naan cakes. Okay, we've never made a naan cake before, and Ricky doesn't say that, but she normally says that about pancakes. So.
Yeah, it's a flapjack.
Yeah. Oh, it's a flapjack.
Uh-huh.
It's not a naan cake after all. It's a naan cake.
You can put a bit of salt in that as well. Nice pinch of salt or a shake.
Pinch of salt. I don't actually have a pincher of salt.
Nah, just give it a shake.
This doesn't come out on the coast.
We haven't put rice in.
Rice in. Not sugar. Don't put sugar in. That makes it worse. Okay, a little bit of salt on my hand there.
Give it a good mix. How's it look? Should be quite thick. So you're looking for a thick double cream consistency.
The pan is hot. Add a little bit of oil. Time to make the naan cakes. I just love that word, naan cakes.
I think it's cool. It's going to catch on.
In with the naan cakes. I'm not going to do too many at once.
Yeah, no, because it might get out of hand.
Yeah. 4 naan cakes to start.
Brilliant.
Awesome. Oh wow, it looks like they've got the little holes on the top.
Uh-huh.
So I'm going to quickly turn them over. Hopefully
Those look perfect.
So there we go, a few more minutes and then they're done. I'm just going to flip one over and have a look. Oh my word, they're just perfectly golden.
Those look fantastic. Let's do some more.
I'm turning them in the exact same sequence as I put them in.
Clever.
How awesome did the naan cakes turn out?
Absolutely beautiful.
And you know what? You don't have to just use them as naans because they actually are pancakes. I'm just calling them naan cakes. But you put a little sour cream, a little bit of salmon, a little bit of dill on top. I mean, any sort of canapé from that
Watch
sort
the
of thing.
space. More coming up.
Hot Durban curry. And because it's a canapé, we're going to use a meatball. Now what I've got is some lamb mutton sausages. Oh, no, it's not easy at all. Who said that putting meat out of a sausage would be easy?
The Americans.
Yeah, there you go. You just have to know what you're doing. Baby steps, just squeeze it out. Little bit at a time, guys. Don't overdo it too fast.
Good thing we have a context of a sausage.
Oh, it's getting a bit long. I wonder if I should start going the other way.
Probably.
But it feels so cool when you pull it through.
This soundtrack with any other actions, I don't know.
Yeah, but the truth is that it actually
feels so good when you pull it through.
But when you actually get into it, it's actually... So there we go. Now we need to season, is it called?
Add stuff. Make
Add
it
stuff
Durban
to the
curry.
mix.
Make it hot.
Okay, so first of all, garlic. I'm gonna put a teaspoon in. Extra hot, Raj.
Extra hot, no.
Extra hot. 1 tablespoon.
Okay.
Hey, no, we said Durban hot.
Yeah. And if you don't have Raj, this is a hot masala.
That won't come out of the packet. Obviously, I didn't cut it properly.
It's like you're not supposed to use a tablespoon.
Yeah, maybe
Are
it's
you
like,
sure?
what? Are you sure you want a whole tablespoon? Okay, I'm just going to do that sort of tablespoon then.
Good.
Okay, and then salt and pepper to taste, and then mix. Wait, guys. We've got Ricky in to do the coriander.
Make your life easy. Cut it into bits, and then Leslie chop it.
Move plate into other camera view.
I think what I'm going to put in there is...
Oh, Mrs. Balls. And it's got heat on it because it's the jalapeno one.
That smells like a Durban curry. Oh my word.
Get your hands in. I think it is important when you're mixing it.
It's cooking. You need to get your hands dirty.
I think that's going to make a great meatball.
Great. Let's test fry a little piece for flavor.
What do you think, Rick? Do you think they should be bigger?
No, I would say probably smaller.
It is a canapé, you're right. But I wanted to try a big
No, for sure.
Okay, so we got our tester, and I'm disappointed that it's so small now.
Test
I have to share it with
time.
Ricky. So cut it in half. Oh, that's actually really juicy as well. It's got a bit of a burn in the back of the throat.
Awesome.
Oh wow.
Teamwork is dream work. Beautiful.
Thanks, Rick, for the help.
Meatballs. And we made 15. You want to face this way? I'll come this side.
Sorry, Rick. I was just concentrating on the meatballs and... What you get there, my little monkey? Sorry, I couldn't help myself, sweetie.
Banana. Not a great one, but it's okay. For the side sandals, because you always have banana. So we've only got 15 meatballs, so I technically only need 15 slices, but you know. Okay, so I'm going to pop these in a bowl, and then we're going to lemon juice for flavor and to stop browning. Coat that beautifully.
Okay, so we've got these beautiful cherry tomatoes. So I thought I don't want it to ruin it, so I'm just going to cut them in half, so that you still got them that they look like cherry tomatoes, you know?
Yeah, I think so.
You don't have to stay for the 10 pounds. Because they're 15, I know for a fact that we don't actually need this one. So,
Yum yum.
oh, good. So the onion. I wasn't sure, so that's why I handed it over to Ricky.
Yeah, so I'm going to cut it in half, and then I'm going to cut it in half again. And then I'm going to make like, if you look at the top, you can cut an onion quite nicely like this.
Okay.
And we should get bits that we can pop, not too formal.
Okay. I forgot to record that. So you might notice there's another one up there. Don't worry about it, because now I've got skills. So first thing, chutney, a little bit on the bottom. A little bit more than a little bit.
Sure, that's really hot chutney.
So on with the banana. Then the meatball. Add the meatball on. Like that. Okay, it feels like it's coming together. Because I've done this before. On with the tomato. So there's a bit of tomato there. So onion comes on now. I've got some pieces of onion that I'm just going to sort of rustically put on here.
Brilliant.
So just randomly like that. Then desiccated coconut. That means crushed up coconut into a powder form. I don't think it actually means that they went out and desiccated it. Who knows? And then a little bit of coriander, a little leaf. So make sure you got 2 or 3. I'm going to pop that on there. And then for good measure,
a little more of the hot chutney.
So add a bit of the chutney, just a little drop there. Just to say, I'm in business. Come and look at that.
That's absolutely beautiful.
It really is. And just wait a second. Huh?
That's stunning.
That is beautiful. I just love these.
I would totally eat that.
We have to wait.
I know, we're going to make a whole platter.
I'm going to make a platter, of course I am.
That you guys saw in the beginning and you're like, wow, I can't believe it's taken so long to get to the recipe.
Well, let's get going.
Teamwork.
Getting it right. And it actually is kind of fun doing it.
Yeah, it's cool.
I mean, it really gets on Ricky's OCD that I keep just putting the onions just willy-nilly everywhere.
It would be nice if the bananas all pointed the same way.
Okay, so now I'm going to do the coconut on all of them.
Go forth.
And I'm going to let it spill onto the board a bit because this is my serving platter. Okay, just going to put a drop on each.
That's 2 drops.
Oh man. Guys, are you seeing what I'm seeing? How awesome does this look? Well, you saw how we made them. Let's see what they taste like.
Oh, it fits in one bite. Doesn't really.
Oh, wow.
Durban on a canapé.
It is. That is so good. You take the bite and it just transports you to Durban. You've got the coconut and the banana with that bit of lemon, and then the onion crunch and the tomato. But it's all about that naan cake. That naan bread with that meat. It is just perfect. It is Durban in a canapé.
You guys got to make this.
You've got to try and make that. It doesn't get any better.